Thank you for joining me today. I am excited to present my research titled Financial Security and Retirement in IT. How long do professionals stay in the industry? The study delves into a critical yet often overlooked aspect of the information technology sector, the balance between career longevity and financial preparedness for retirement. Conducted at Our Lady of Fatima University's College of Computer Studies, this research aims to provide valuable insights for IT professionals, employers, and policymakers alike. Let's embark on this journey together. To set the context, let's first consider the current landscape of the IT industry. Over the past few decades, the IT sector has experienced unprecedented growth, becoming a cornerstone of many global economies. It offers lucrative career opportunities, high salaries, and the potential for rapid advancement. However, this fast-paced environment also brings significant challenges. IT professionals are under constant pressure to keep their skills updated due to rapid due to rapid evolution of technology. This pressure can lead to job insecurity and a focus on immediate career goals, often at the expense of long-term financial planning. My research aims to explore how IT professionals navigate these challenges, balancing their career aspirations with the need for financial security and retirement preparedness. Now, let's delve deeper into the background of the study. The IT industry is characterized by its dynamic nature, where new technologies, platforms, and tools emerge at a rapid pace. While this creates exciting career opportunities, it also imposes a continuous learning requirement on professionals. Many IT workers find themselves prioritizing immediate job tasks such as mastering new programming languages or managing complex projects. Over long-term financial planning, this focus can lead to neglecting essential aspects of financial securities, such as saving for retirement. In the context of Filipino IT professionals, the situation is further complicated by socioeconomic factors. Despite a growing demand for IT skills in the Philippines, many professionals face challenges such as salaries that do not align with the cost of living, limited access to retirement benefits, and the general lack of financial literacy. Most Filipino IT workers are employed in small to medium-sized enterprises that often lack robust retirement programs or financial education initiatives. The study seeks to eliminate these challenges and provide insights into how Filipino IT professionals can better prepare for their financial futures. Now, for the statement of the problem, with this background in mind, we can now articulate the core problem this research addresses. Despite the abundant career opportunities available in the IT sector, many professionals grapple with issues related to job security, financial preparedness, and retirement planning. These challenges can significantly impact their long-term career sustainability, leading to early career transitions or inadequate savings for retirement. To better understand these dynamics, the research aims to answer four fundamental questions. How long do IT professionals typically stay in the industry? What factors influence their career decisions? How financially prepared are they for retirement? And what can improve career longevity and financial security? The study has four main objectives: to examine how long IT professionals stay in the industry and what influence, influences their decisions. Number two, to assess their financial security and retirement planning practices. Number three, to analyze the relationship between career length and financial preparedness for retirement. And number four, to provide recommendations for improving financial security and career longevity in the IT sector. I used a descriptive quantitative research design to gather data. The study focused on Metro Manila, where many IT companies are located. I surveyed IT professionals with at least 2 years of experience to ensure they had relevant insights. The target sample size was 30 to 50 respondents. For the data collection, I created a survey using Google Forms, which included sections on demographics, financial practices, retirement planning, and financial awareness. The survey was distributed online over a few weeks to reach a broad audience of IT professionals. Due to lack of connections, I was only able to gather 32 IT professionals that participated in the survey. Their ages range from 20 to 61, with a mix of genders 19 males, um, 12 females, and one who preferred not to disclose. Respondents held various roles, including software engineers and project managers, providing a diverse perspective. Key findings. For income satisfaction, 78.1% of respondents reported being satisfied with their income, indicating that many feel fairly compensated. However, 15.6% expressed dissatisfaction, highlighting that some still struggle with financial concerns. For savings capability, 71.9% of respondents save regularly, which is a positive sign for their financial futures. However, 21.9% save only occasionally, and 6.3% do not save at all, which raises concerns about their long-term financial security. Retirement planning. 75% of respondents have retirement savings or investments, showing awareness of the importance of planning for retirement. 21.9% plan to start saving soon, while only 3.1% have no retirement plans, indicating a need for continued education in this area. Confidence in financial security. Respondents rated their confidence in financial security during retirement at an average of 4.39 out of 5. This high score suggests that most feel secure about their financial future, likely due to their savings and planning efforts. In conclusion, Filipino IT professionals generally feel financially secure and are increasingly aware of the need for retirement planning. However, career longevity varies, and while many are confident about their financial futures, there is still room for improvement in financial literacy and planning. For the recommendations, based on these findings, I recommend implementing financial literacy programs in companies and schools to help IT professionals make informed financial decisions. Encouraging early retirement planning, especially for younger professionals. Number three, employers should offer financial wellness initiatives to support their employees. Future research should include larger sample sizes for more comprehensive insights. Number five, policymakers should develop programs to enhance financial education for IT workers. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the financial and career challenges faced by IT professionals.